This was the day health leaders were dreading. Junior doctors and consultants striking together and leaving hospital wards with only the barest of minimum cover. Sky News has been given rare access to a busy East London hospital as its chief executive tries to minimise the impact of this unprecedented industrial action.
I think we've cancelled more than 10,000 outpatients appointments here. We've cancelled more than 1,000 non-urgent surgeries and a small number of urgent surgeries as well. And what we're increasingly seeing is actually we're not cancelling things because we're not even booking stuff in anymore for the strike dates.
How can you manage a hospital like this?
It's making it very hard to plan for what's going to be the toughest period of the year in the NHS. It feels like we're walking into a really tough battle with one hand tied behind our back.
Almost 900,000 appointments have been cancelled since health workers' strikes began in December last year. Both the government and NHS England blamed the industrial action by consultants and junior doctors for the record number of patients waiting for elective care, now at almost 7.7 million.
We're extremely sorry and we understand how difficult it must be, but this is happening day in, day out within the National Health Service already. The waiting lists were completely skyrocketing. It's really disingenuous to try and blame waiting lists on doctors' strikes because it's only been a tiny increase since we started industrial action.
The winter pressure doesn't just affect larger acute hospitals. Community hospitals like this one in Surrey are also trying to prepare for another difficult season.
Our walk-in centres, we have seen and are expecting to see an increased number of patients needing to access care via the walk-in centre. We would urge people to ensure that they're using the right service for their needs.
The pressure is beginning to tell across every part of the health system. And that will only intensify with every further strike day into winter. Ashish Joshi, Sky News in Ilford.